Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Okay, so if you didn't know already, we do a lot of research for this radio control car on this channel. So it's called the RC switch. Right, so what it can do, it's got a main section in the middle, and then you connect rear and front parts to it to make different cars. So at the moment we've got a track version. As you can see here, we've got the track rear and the track front. And then over here we've got the crawler version, which is the crawler rear and the crawler front. So these two parts, they just clip into the front. So you see you got these holes there. So the carbon fibre tubes line up with them. And then it's got these spring-loaded clips that hook in to the screws that are on top, on here, like that. And just lock them all into place. And then we've got quick release shaft connectors here that just literally connect up when the two parts go together. Right, so the issue is I'm just trying to think of some more different kinds of designs for different vehicles. So I was thinking of like maybe a hovercraft or a drone. So we're going to be doing some research into some flight systems for this. Right, so in this video we're just going to be assembling a prototype drone section to go on the front. And then we're going to be testing out a few different propeller blades. And then we're going to be printing out some full-size front and rear sections to see if it's actually possible. Holy shit, right, you're not gonna guess what just happened. Oh, this is crazy. Look in there. We've snapped the shaft off the motor. Right, okay, I don't think we're going to be doing much with this drone anymore. So as we can see, testing it, it does spin up pretty fast. It's got a little bit of power, obviously probably about a quarter of what I need to lift this thing up. It's generating about 400 grams, and we need about 1600 to 2000. So yeah, as you just saw, we tested it out on a 3S battery. Well, it was just a 2S then, but I think the damage got done on the 3S. So yeah, this motor is toast. I'm gonna have to get a new one of those, unfortunately. But yeah, it was all a good test. So hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.